Hey guys, welcome back to the Perryville YouTube channel. Wanted to give you a quick heads up on this amazing Milwaukee deal over at Home Depot. It is in stock, as you can see right now. I've already seen it go in and out of stock, so if when you check this it is out of stock, just be persistent, check back, it'll be back. So for $199 you're getting the M12 fuel 1/4-inch right angle die grinder with a free starter kit, and that's a 6 amp hour battery and a 3 amp hour battery with the charger. I checked several different retailers and couldn't find anyone else doing the same deal. You can see over on Amazon, a third-party seller, but it is $189. Acme Tools $189 and Northern Tool $189. So everybody's at $189, but you don't get that free starter kit. And that 6 amp hour and 3 amp hour battery, that is really good to throw in with that bare tool. So if you're interested, there will be a link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.